We are here at VDF and it's a fantastic event. Lots of teachers, lots of students. You can come and learn some dancing and learn from others presenting, but you just need to come on down because this is all things dance.
VDF's amazing because you get to connect with lots of other like-minded people.
I'm looking forward to hearing from all professional teachers and what they know about dance and share their wisdom with us.
We really like coming to VDF to expand our knowledge on how to run our dance school and take lots of classes from amazing people.